Buddy.
Hi all.
Hey Rihanna, what are we making today?
Papa. What are you going to use today?
Oh, we're going to use a 1/4 cup of baking soda, some lemon juice, coconut oil, sprinkles, food coloring, measuring spoon, and a fork. Also, we're going to use some mold. Let's start the procedure. This is baking soda and my sister is going to add it to the bowl. Next, we're going to add a few drops of food coloring. Now let's mix it with the fork. Mix the color evenly. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix it well. Apply oil in the mold. Now fill the mold with our prepared mixture tightly. After 30 minutes, our bath bomb is ready.
Let's mix it.
Now let's add some sprinkles. Okay, now once you fill it, press very tightly so there's no air bubbles formed. And now our molds are filled. Our bath bombs are ready now. Now let's take it out. Wow! Can you see that? That looks amazing, right? Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so pretty. Now my sister's gonna take hers out. Wow, Rihanna, that looks so pretty, right? I love the blue color. It's so pretty. Yay!
I have a cup of soda. And I have food coloring. And I have lemon juice. Oh, it's too windy, guys. I'm trying to find